Good morning. The hiccups are kind of just starting. I'm on the roof, of course, enjoying the beautiful sunrise as it lightens up the ocean and the sand. It's really quite remarkable how it goes from darkness, which was it was darker just a little bit ago, to brightness in a very short time. It's fascinating. So we got the boardwalk down here. Really a special place to be. I'm very, very fortunate in that respect. I've been here about 15 years. And just, it's really great. I mean, especially with the condition that I have, it makes you almost a hermit. And just doing anything social is often ruined by these hiccups. And so I spend a lot of time indoors. But here I can just go outside and sit down on a bench and just watch people. I really just like that. So I'm happy with that. So kind of pays for itself. Been here, we're grandfathered in, so our rent is quite low comparably to just inland the block or two. It's just crazy what the rents have become. So we're kind of special that way. I just want to take a moment on how you can help me pioneer this condition. I think some people are confused as to what the subscriber button does. It's a free button to push. You're not obligated to do anything. Just when you push the subscriber button, it just shows you supporting this channel. And if you have your system set up to remind you that a video has been posted, it will, or you can choose to be notified. That's notifications. But that's it. And that number does for me, though. It helps me greatly because that's what all channels are going by, is their subscriptions and their views. Those numbers are very valuable to a YouTuber. For me, in my case, just to become monetized and to become part of the YouTube partnership, you have to meet criteria. So they're making money off of my videos currently, the video with the commercials that they play. For me to be able to even be a part of that, I have to meet really kind of strict criteria that could actually, or should happen in a few videos, especially when you're getting the kind of views that I'm getting, but it's just not translating into the subscriber button for some reason. I'm just not sure why. But I have to meet 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of view time within a 12-month period. And that's already started about a month ago. I returned from a 2-year hiatus from posting videos, pioneering this condition to about a month ago. I posted my first of maybe 8 new videos. That's about 115 total. So I've got a good catalog of this condition, pioneering, but I returned this time with the attitude that to produce content is exhausting, and it looks simple, but it's just quite involved, and I this time felt like I should be involved in a partnership with YouTube and be compensated for the videos that I post, like every content creator is doing. So when you hit the subscriber button, it's free for you, but those numbers matter to me. And to YouTube, who's literally monitoring every aspect of every video I post and every video anybody posts. They have quite the system where they get down to if it's male or more versus females, the age range. It gets really involved. It's very intense. I still know a lot of it, but I do know the criteria for me to meet, and just to tap in, and then of course all that has to continue and grow, and that's how some of these have thousands and tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of subscribers. Is that they always say somewhere in their video, subscribe, or don't forget to subscribe, push the like button, and share, which is kind of just pretty much standard for any YouTuber to say, and anybody watching, I think, hears that all the time. So I never liked saying it, so I didn't. In most of my videos, you'll hear me not asking for any of that. I just wasn't into that, but now there's a value to that, and so I ask you, please, for me and to help me pioneer this medical condition, to hit the subscriber button. It's no cost to you. It's just a number that adds up on my side that has value. And you can turn off the notifications so you don't have to be notified every time I post a video, or hopefully you are interested and want to see it first before others. And I am working on better content and creating better content because I have to create so much more as a YouTube partnership. But to do that, I have to feel like I'm, being a part of that. And so the subscriber button is probably the most valuable, next to the views. And the views is, it's calculated by the time that you spend watching that video. The first time you viewed the video, it doesn't calculate the second time you see it or the third time you see it. Just the first time you go through the video, the time that you stay there is calculated time, and that's where the 4,000 hours comes in. And so we always encourage that you watch your first time run through any video all the way through, and then if you want to go back and repeat the video and just see certain parts or whatever, that's not calculated, but we certainly invite it. And old videos, apparently, old video time does count towards the 4,000 hours. It's very complicated on my end. It's very simple on yours, and it's just an act of love and support to push the subscriber button. Watch the video first time through, all the way, and that's kind of how it goes here. You see how the beach lights up, but it's hardly the sunrise has hardly come up yet, but it is still pretty bright. So fortunate to be here. So anyway, I want to thank you for the views and subscribers that I do have, and that have been with me from day one when I was posting with a different attitude. I was just pioneering the condition. I wanted to get this condition known, and I posted quite a bit of videos with that in mind, and I'm continuing that, but this time I want to be involved in the residuals of those posts that YouTube is already collecting. And that's where I need your help as a supporter of my content, is to make sure that you hit that subscriber button. It'll help me pioneer this condition so much more, and I could be no more grateful for that. A lot of traffic on the beach out there. So anyway, thank you for listening. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Please, in the comments, leave a comment. I love reading your comments. I do try to respond to all of them. Give me suggestions as to what you would like to see, or repeat of my other videos. I've already gotten some ideas from people, so I thank you. Those are in the works. And just thank you for taking time to look at my content, which is not like other content. This is pioneering a medical condition, so it's not the prettiest. I am very vulnerable here. I put myself out there in some really vulnerable, I don't look so attractive kind of positions on here. I'm documenting this condition that's extreme and really, really abusive to the inside of my body. But your help is so gratefully appreciated. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up and share this video if you feel, or any video. And please leave a comment, and I'll be happy to try to respond in English. I have yet to figure out how to take foreign language and flip it into so I can read it. Thank you very much.